Hello everybody! So today we are going to be looking at these. These are the Regent headphones. They contacted me and asked me if I wanted to review said headphones, and of course I said yes because I am a big fan of headphones. I have used so many sets of headphones, and yeah, these appeal to me because they're a little bit different. So let's get onto the box first and I'll show you the other bits. So this is the box. It's nice and plain, very sophisticated looking. And here are all of the dealies. Wireless headphones, compatible with all Bluetooth devices, and they certainly are. So yeah, Sudio quality sound, padded adjustable headband, 24-hour battery life. Now that is quite impressive. I know that not many headphones last 24 hours. That is quite impressive. So onto the rest of the box. You pull out this little drawer and your headphones will be presented here. Very nice. Inside we have this box, if my camera wants to focus. It's a charging aux cable. Sorry, it's a charging cable and an aux cable. It would be impressive if they could do both, but yes, charge before use. My camera doesn't want to focus at all. Are you going to focus? Focus. Anyway, that's what it says. It's just a general, normal USB cable. Pretty cool. And then we just have an aux cable. If you don't want to use them wirelessly, you can use just the normal aux cable. So they're in there, and then you get, in here, this is stuck down, you get, I haven't actually looked at this yet, this is kind of cool. Let me get it open. So you have your owner's manual, which is quite a hefty thing in many different languages, which is nice. You get quick start guide, the guide for changing the side panels on the headphones, which is what I will come on to eventually, and then we have a guarantee card. Earphones are protected against manufacturing defects for 1 year from the date of purchase, so that is a good thing to have. So I will put everything back in here and get rid of the box. And then we can look at the headphones themselves. So they are funky looking things. These are so high quality. Like, I don't know if you can see it all, but if it wants to focus on that, that has a marble effect, but this isn't the pad that was on it before. I will show you the pad that came with it originally. The pads on these are probably the softest I have ever had on any headphones. They are like soft but high quality, I would say. Like thick but soft. And then it's the same kind of dealie up at the top. Very comfortable to wear. Yeah, they have adjustable sides, so you know, no matter how big your head is, this is going to fit. Also has adjustment on the actual cups. There's not really much movement that way, but you know, I think the rest of it kind of makes up for that. So we have this little gold thing here. It tells you this is the left side and the right side. Yeah, that is the headphones themselves. They have a few buttons on here, like charging and all the buttons that you'll need, and then your aux cable. So let's talk about the sound of these. Now, I mainly use headphones to listen to ASMR videos, and ASMR videos are like really sound intensive. You need to hear like absolutely everything that is going on ASMR videos, and these are some of the best that I have used. I used the Beats EP before, and I would say that these are better than the Beats EP. The clarity of the sound is really good. I wouldn't say the bass is too much. I know some headphones can be really bass intensive and they can just ruin the experience for me. But these are just like the right, you know, perfect for ASMR videos. When I was listening to music on them, again, sound quality was really crisp and very nice, not too muddy, not too tinny, as well as watching just normal videos, like not ASMR videos, but just like a normal video. Again, some of the best quality that I've used. And yeah, I like these headphones a lot. I have been using them pretty much non-stop since I got them. Anyway, yes, I will show you these plate things. So you can buy different plates for them, which is quite funky. So these are the plates that were on them before. See, these are even nice, just on their own, these things. If my camera wants to focus on anything at all, which it clearly doesn't. Yeah, these were on them before. They have little clips on them, so you can just twist them, unclip them, and then clip in these different ones, so you can get a kind of unique look on them. I like this marble that they sent me. Yeah, sorry, that's the moving the box out of the way. Yeah, I really like this marble look. It's definitely unique. I do like the fact that they kind of don't have the name all over them. You know how like when you get Beats and stuff, they have like Beats on here, blah blah blah. These literally only have the Sudio thing on here. Like, it doesn't say on them anywhere else what they are, and I do like that. I don't like the like constant brand being shoved in your face kind of look. So yeah, I would say that is it. All in all, very, very nice headphones. Let me get the box. Eek, there we go. So, there they are. The Sudio Regent headphones. They retail for $79.99. I do have a discount code if you want to get 15% off that. It's found on Film 15. I would recommend these headphones. They are very, very nice quality. So I was sent these to review. The opinions though are of my own. Just thought I would point that out because, you know, I know how it is on YouTube. But there they are, the Sudio headphones Regent. And yeah, I will see you all again very, very soon. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and I'll see you all soon. Bye bye.